Welcome to the city of Bell, California. We've got two buildings that we're about to completely renovate and improve. This is what they look like now, and this is what they're going to look like when they're done. We're super close to breaking ground, but for now, we want to give you a little window into where we're at and give you a heads up of what's to come.
Everybody watching this wants to know, when is Border X going to be open?
That's the $1 million question. So we're working really hard to open up soon. We've already purchased our brewing system. We're pulling permits on the building. We're about to demo the interior and really start doing some of the work to make that into one of the most classic beer halls, I think, in all of Los Angeles.
Big day coming up, July 15th, the World Cup viewing party. David's going to be there. We'll be doing some giveaways too, so make sure that you're there. And we might be doing the groundbreaking around 1 o'clock, but we'll keep you posted.
If you'd like to know more about the project and our progress as we go, be sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date.